You gotta go and get it all in my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do the world of the apologies. I hop on around all the time cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one shot at forgiveness. I know you know that I made all mistakes maybe once or twice. But once or twice, I mean maybe a couple 100 times. So let me redeem myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot at second chances. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I take every single piece of the blade if me want me to. But you know that there is no winning sit one of this game for two. I go, and then you go on and spell it true. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I'll let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm not just trying to get you back on me. Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know, but I'll let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry, yeah. Say sorry. Sorry, yeah, I know, but I'll let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? Say sorry.